What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to show you the new AI chatbot coming to Legendary Leads. This is built on OpenAI Assistant, so you're going to get direct pricing. There's no upcharge, and it's just included with your subscription price with all the other features. So let's jump right in. This bot was built to encourage signups for Legendary Leads. You can build them to book appointments for you. You can build them as a knowledge base and support chatbot, or kind of any other thing you might want to do. And they can get really specialized. So it does take some time to build these, but once you have them set up, they're going to be working for you 24/7. So let's dive right in. I'm just going to start the conversation just like this with the chatbot, and we'll let it take over from there. So it responds back, are you a new or existing user of Legendary Leads? I'm going to put new. Now I have two workflows based on which it would have chose. For existing users, I'm just going to offer support. If I'm a new user, I'm going to try to encourage a sign up. So I'm trying to get some details initially. You can see right here, glad to hear you're interested in Legendary Leads. Could you provide me with your name and email or phone number? And I'm just going to try to throw it off a little bit here. I'm going to say, how much is it? So there, it's got some pricing info. It does mention we have a 14-day free trial, so you can cancel anytime. And then it asks, what's the main problem you're looking to solve? I'm going to put sending bulk SMS. So perfect. Legendary Leads is excellent for managing bulk SMS. I recommend you give it a try. Would you like to proceed? I'm going to put sure. This can be set up over different channels as well. So you can have text message, Facebook Messenger, Google My Business Chat. All those can be integrated with this chatbot. So I'm going to give it a name and email here. All right, so we got back the link here, and I can just click through that and sign up. So it's going to take me to the sign up page, and I could finish signing up there. So that's basically it. You can see with some customization, you can kind of tailor this to whatever specific needs you would need for it. So I'm going to get some training together as well for how to create these bots and what kind of prompts to use. You can also fine tune them. So if the bot's doing something you don't want, you can just insert another small prompt to correct those in the future. And then over time, you're going to have a pretty solid bot that's going to be able to handle 95% of your issues without any human interaction. We do have human takeover as well. So if this gets assigned to a user, it's going to stop the bot from future engagement. So you can jump into the conversation yourself if you need to close a deal or whatever it might be. But with that being said, hopefully you guys are excited about this. Make sure to jump in to the free trial. If you have questions, feel free to reach out directly. support@tryjohnson.com. You can email me, derek@tryjohnson.com, either one of those, and I'll get back to you ASAP. With that being said, stay tuned for what we have coming up shortly. Hopefully this will be rolling out over the next month or so. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Stay legendary.